Hello everybody, here's Jamie's trade log, and let's have a look at it. So he has traded a good number of currency pairs, and he traded futures as well. In total, 13 trades of the week. He had some open from last week, so he was swing trading those over the weekend, and he's got a nice great R result for the week, right? So 31 R. Some of those coming from his swing trades he kept open. So from Forex 31, from futures 9, and crypto. I'm not sure what it's open. Okay. Well, Jamie has just started trading crypto, so he was more focusing on Forex and adding futures, and it looks like he's starting now cryptos. We'll see big numbers here for cryptos as well as he gets more and more into it. That's what I assume. Now let's have a look here. That's a 240-minute chart. That's a trade from last week. I don't remember anymore where we got in. Let's just move on. So here's an S3 on a 240-minute chart. So the S3 can be nicely traded on a 240-minute chart. It might even end up being a day trade, right? It doesn't mean just because you're trading a 240-minute chart that you're in for days or weeks. S3 can be quick. Now this is an S3 that's a standard type of pullback, right? And it's generated a nice R result. Now let's see what it did. So it did that, right? There was another entry here, and Jamie just traded the stop and then got stopped out with a nice R result. Here trading Australian dollar strength. That was the topic of the theme of the week. Right, so this is an interesting trade, a Euro Yen S1 long. It's not so much the pattern. The pattern is below average quality, right? So what Jamie is trading here is the momentum. So momentum is here, is going on here. That's the daily chart, I assume. There's momentum, right? A series of green bars, green, like not one huge bar, which then would tell us, oh, that might be an exhaustion move, but a series of small green bars that's steady by momentum, right? And this is momentum. We are overextended. There's no doubt about it, right? So this is not going to be a swing trade. This is going to end sooner or later. However, this is TC3, right? And this is a trade on on TC, and this is just trading the momentum of higher time frames. There's some reasoning this could go higher. This could even break this high, right? Coming from these higher time frames. So this is a momentum play using S1 as an entry, and TC1 looks very beautiful, right? Very strong and smooth trend. We even get a green light mode here, and this just continued, right? Strong and smooth, like it came up here, strong and smooth, and it just continued strong and smooth, and that was another nice R multiple. Right here as well, trading CAD strength against Yen weakness. Very similar pattern, right? Below average. Well, this is a better quality S1. Very strong and smooth TC. Trading the momentum. Well, this is in addition to trading the momentum, is trading the stop run, right? We're in full blown stop run move. That's a slingshot coming out of breaking this high. So I like this even better. Though this has already run quite a bit, right? So this is not a swing trade neither. The stop is tighter than the prior one. We've got 3 really nice stop run levels, and that looks pretty good. I think entry was here. It did not develop a lot of momentum, right? This was the break of the consolidation high. No big momentum, so this did not run for the stop of the consolidation high, and at that point of time it doesn't look that good, right? I'm not sure if he got out here. Looks like he got out here, and that's just another winner, right? Here, Yen strength, Swiss strength, Yen weakness. That's an S2, 15-minute S2, beautiful. I mean, these TC1 time frames, they look all similar, very strong and smooth, right? Breaking the high here, momentum and stop run move. So we have a mix of S2 patterns, right, and S1 patterns. Well, somebody asked last week, oh, If Jamie only trades the very low time frames, 1 minute charts, well, no, it depends where the patterns are, right? We haven't seen any 5 minute or 1 minute here in this series of trades. It's all 15 minute. So Jamie is very flexible in the time frames he trades. Well, he just trades the patterns as they come up. And this last week, or I think this is even 2 weeks ago, well, he was trading the 15-minute chart, right? Here again, there's not much follow through. Well, we are overextended. We have already done quite a bit of a stop run, right? And we might actually now pull back. This is a break-even trade. Now again here, yeah, Australian dollar strength, trading this down in an S2, again a 15-minute chart. Oh, very nice and tight stop. I like that, right? That's the last dominant high here. And this is the entry. I think entry could have even been earlier. Very good, very nice. Yeah, TC1. And here, well, we've got these stop run levels. This has swing potential, all right? This is a different. It has swing potential because we've got the stop run levels here, and well, this is over. This is in a downtrend. It has pulled back, right? So this move up here on the daily chart is basically testing the 200 moving average. On the weekly chart, it's just a pullback into the 21 or the 50 and then the 200. So there's room to go on the downside, right? Running for those stops and then even break the low. And he got stopped out here with a nice R winner, right? Right, so I've jumped the trade, so now comes along a 1 minute, right? This is a 1 minute. He has already well achieved his weekly R goal, even the monthly and the quarterly. Now this is a 1 minute. Again, pound, well, both are strong, right? Both pound and New Zealand, but we have a pattern. And the pattern is, let's see, that's an S1 with an extended, with an extended breakout activity. That's good. It's basically testing, confirming the flat line from below, right? And that improves quality. And for the bulls, well, the bulls are taking in some energy, right? They're resting on the other side of the flat for the break higher. Now this is taken with it's a long trade, yeah. Okay, well, he even traded that. Well, that's both. It's an S1, right, with an extended breakout activity, and because it's extended, well, it has become an S2 in this case. 1, 2, 3 touches, and that can well be traded. The stop can even be put higher if you trade it as an S2, right? Now here, well, this is taken with discretion. I mean, here you can argue this is a zigzag higher. We've got 1 or 2 bars, bearish bars here. So that's a zigzag higher. Well, this is not yet trending. So TC2 is not trending. So that's taken with discretion. So let's see if there's something that justifies that there's some a long bullish bias. Well, it's not this one, right? That looks short. Well, it's coming from here. That's way overextended, right? Well, it's testing these lows. So basically, Jamie is trading this betting on that there's no stop run below this triple bottom to occur. That this stop run level is too strong a resistance, and that prices are pulling back. So that's basically a snapback. That's a daily snapback trade using S2, well, combined with an S1, overriding the TC2 trend rule. Is that clear to everybody, right? It comes from here. That's taken by discretion. Okay, and well, prices don't need to move a long way. It has. I mean, we see a normal sized green bar printing here. We are like far away from having snapped back to the moving averages, and because I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time frames lower from the daily traded, well, a small move on the daily chart gives you a big R multiple, right? And this is it basically. Okay, jump 2 more trades. Now this is an interesting one. Well, we have an S2 short. Well, this time on a 5 minute. This is an S2, well, what we have here is TC1 is oval sideways, TC2 is oval sideways, TC3 is oval sideways, TC4 is basically in an early downtrend. So what we have, because it's oval sideways, well, this can develop in a huge move, right? What we basically have, well, that's a 5 minute is an S2. Well, that's an S1, I guess, on an H1 on the 1 hour chart. Well, it's an S2 as well, right? So it's a pattern within a pattern. So win rate is lower, but if it works, well, we see what happens, right? It starts a big move, and that's what we see here, and it's just reaped some nice profits here. Right, so now we're coming to the crypto trade, Bitcoin US S1 long 60. I think it's the very first crypto trade for Jamie. Let's see. So what is the trade? It's this one here. It's an S1. It's a fairly wide stop, right? But the idea trading cryptos is like the idea is that we are per definition having a swing trade, right? So this is let's see if we get it. So it's here. Here's the entry. Well, it came close to get stopped out. The 200 offered support for the price is higher, and then it then it broke higher and higher. Well, there's another S1 pattern, and at some point of time he got stopped out. So well done. Thank you.